Hi guys, my name is Alex and today I'm going to burst this tire while doing the burnout. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, I'm not sure what is going to happen. I did took a bit of safety measurements. I do have a fire extinguisher in there in case something burns out or anything, so you never know. But keep it close and watch me doing it, yeah? My protections, my helmet and my gloves. This is funny, I think this is the first time somebody tries to do it. This is one of the newest projects I've been working on, which is a Xiaomi M365 with a Kelly controller 7212. It's quite powerful. It has two batteries, one outside, one inside. And they will be able to deliver quite a bit of power. Let's go! Woo-hoo! That was it! I think we've done it and it didn't take us too long. It just blew off completely. Beautiful. 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 Oh my god, that was so exciting. It didn't take too long and the tire just burst out completely. I love it, man. I love it. You can even see some of the inner tube just busted out. The tire is completely done. Seriously, it's very hot right now. I'm just gonna check quickly some temperature on the controller just to see if anything happened. All right, the temperature on the battery, oh, it's like 12 degrees, it's not that much. The motor is not hot at all, but the tire bursted completely. All right, I think that this is the first time, so it must be a premiere for everybody up there. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and stay tuned. I might come with different videos as well. So who knows in the near future what I'm gonna do. Yeah, keep cool. Alex from eTauros Ltd.